Historically, in the late 80s, Australia was experiencing a major property boom and with a large number of significant projects both in design and construction. Majority of these projects were handled by large national firms, and because of the demands and the pressures, they did not really provide the level of service that was expected by architects and clients. So we recognize an opportunity to start a boutique-type consultancy which would provide hands-on support to the whole project team.
We started in 1991 as a small office with 7 people, including myself and George Umow. So over the last 25 years, we have grown into a practice with 140 staff, with offices in Melbourne, Sydney and Brisbane.
Well, all the years, Umow Lai has been successful in a number of market sectors. We focus predominantly a lot on education, healthcare, aged care. And I suppose the market sectors we've been successful in are those sectors that provide us the ability to innovate, ability to meet the client's needs in ways that are not your traditional design.
The most important part is we develop additional skill. So we started with fire engineering, becoming one of only 2 firms in Australia that can offer fire engineering as a new discipline. Then we layered that with information technology. And then for the last 15 years, we've become the industry leader in sustainable building design, something that put us on the map, not just in Australia, but around the world.
The underlying principle of our consulting services was to offer the highest level of professional service to the total project team and produce designs and documentations that reflected client requirements in terms of quality, budget, and also time parameters. Most of our early projects were for the government, number of large institutions such as universities and hospitals, as well as for a number of private sector clients.
Our most favorite project is not the biggest project, but something that actually defined the value of Umow Lai. It's called the Pixel Building. Now, that building has achieved a perfect score in Green Star rating, and it came up to be the most sustainable building in the world.
The things that I enjoy most about working for Umow Lai would be the people. I think the people make an organisation. Umow Lai have always had dedicated staff.
The culture of Umow Lai is that we look after each other. We put a lot of emphasis on people development and staff helping each other.
Things like work-life balance, good corporate citizens. We embrace all those things. They're good things. You know, the staff now want a strong sense of belonging. They want to know about what's happening in the company, and they want to have a say in how we can do things a bit better. We work pretty hard to put programs in place to make that happen.
So it's not just directors telling people what to do. It is engineers looking after engineers, and that is a critical factor in the success of the company.
Everyone is pretty helpful here, so that really helps your growth. So it's not just about what you're doing. So everyone is really helpful. So it just helps everyone to grow as an engineer.
Umow Lai as a firm offer multidisciplinary services that your core traditional services like mechanical, electrical, fire, hydraulics, and lifts. In addition to those core services, we do offer specialist advice in relation to, for instance, fire engineering, acoustics, sustainability, and technology.
We're able to work together on projects and to bring together our expertise and create a more holistic solution than just delivering, say, one discipline at a time.
We have always been known for our innovation to be the leader in every field that we participate in, so that we are seen as an industry leader and not a follower.
So it's not designing a better building, it's how we approach in designing a better building. It could come down to the way we process, the way we administer, the way we collaborate with our clients. So innovation to us is a smart solution that meets the needs of the client in the most cost-effective way. That's innovation.